Hello, Be Healthy fan. This is Han.
This is Peter.
And today we're going to talk about Dr.Puri KF94 masks.
Before we start, we have been noticing a lot of comments asking about these mask necklaces that we have. These are the adjustable lanyards that we're currently selling at our store in BeHealthyUSA.net. And these are adjustable, so you can use them for children as well as adults. Stick to the end of the video since we're going to be launching a special promo code with the video. Stick to the end to find out what it is.
Peter, can you briefly tell me about the Dr.Puri products?
So the Dr.Puri, they are KF94 masks. They come in two different sizes. You have the large as well as the medium, as well as there's two different styles. There's the Smart Fit, which is the adjustable ear loop one, and then just regular Dr.Puri large sizes.
So let me show you how to do it. I purposely unhooked the one side. As you can see, I already hooked the other side. So on the plastic portion of the hook right here, you're going to use the ear loop and you're going to hook it around it. You're going to hook inside like a tight knit, and then from here you're going to pull it up or down in order to tighten it up or loosen it up. So I'm just going to pull it up to tighten it up the ear loop. Now it has secured ear loops. Now it's completely comfortable and it is tight. Unfortunately, Dr.Puri medium only comes in white, but since the adjustable ear loop is so comfortable to use, you could kind of use the larger size, but using the adjustable ear loop to accommodate that size differences.
So the packaging for the Dr.Puri, so we have the adjustable ones, which Han has, and then you have the non-adjustable ones. White Dr.Puri larges, it's kind of obvious which one's which. The blue packaging is the adjustable ear loops, while the non-adjustable one comes in the green package. For the black Dr.Puri large, the adjustable packaging is very similar to the non-adjustable one. So the difference you can see is that for the adjustable ear loops, it shows the adjustable ear loop picture as well as it has the word Smart Fit on it, while the non-adjustable one just has the picture of a mouth.
And also the Dr.Puri mask, it's unlike the other 3D types of masks, it's a soft shell. So it's kind of easy to breathe in, it's more light, so it's kind of more versatile. Because it's soft style, it could get collapsed in a little bit, but it's completely safe to use, so you don't have to worry about it. And also, a lot of customers have been asking what this little circular thing on the packaging is. So Peter, can you tell me what this is?
So when the Dr.Puri manufacturers were designing the package, they wanted to show basically a cutout photo of the filter that's inside the mask. A lot of people have been mistaking this as some sort of valve. Like you can see on what we're wearing, there is no valve on the mask, so you don't have to worry about anything like that.
So that's it for the review of the mask itself. Now let's talk about the promotion, Peter.
As you probably could tell, throughout the video, letters were popping up. Once you put those letters together, then you'll get a promo code, and you can use that promo code to get 40% off of the 100-piece Dr.Puri mix and match deal.
And also, remember, it's only a one-time use coupon, so I just want to let the viewer know so there's no confusion. Before we end our video, we want to also let our viewers know that on April 4th at 3 p.m. at Washington Square Park, New York, we're going to have a KF94 mask giveaway event. So, come out, enjoy the weather, hang out with us. If you have any questions, bring the question to us and we'll be able to answer you on the spot. So, and that's it for today's video.
Be sure to subscribe
and like our video. Stay safe.
Be healthy.
Bye.